had Tony get in a real tight area. First time you ever used Metabo. What'd you think?
Nice, lightweight, plenty of power. It did what it had to do. Like you just stated, first time I've ever used a Metabo tool. It works.
How was the vibration control on it?
Real good. Arms aren't tired. I used it for about 20 minutes. Arms aren't tired. I was in an awkward position.
What do you think of the weight of it?
Weight of it, real nice. One hand operation.
What do you think, Eric?
I like it, man. It's nice. You know, make great tools. They're really big out in Europe. You're starting to see a lot more tools over here, but they're I think they're harder to get over here.
Yes,
you know?
You guys have emailed us. They do have some distribution, not issues, but they're just new to the market, you know?
They've got a lot more variety of tools over in Europe than they do here.
Right, they're starting to get the distribution in place out here. They're starting to get, you know, segregated from the European stuff like that. You go to places like CPO Metabo or Amazon to find your Metabo tools. Today we're going over the KHE3250, which we showed you at World of Concrete. Terry gave us a demo of it, and you know, it's a great little lightweight, compact 7.5 pound SDS plus rotary hammer.
It is. It's nice.
I mean, look how light this is. I'm holding it with my one hand.
And for 7 pounds for you to hold with one hand, that's impressive.
With my wrist, I know. Now, real good stuff. What do you think, Eric? Eric's the SDS man.
Not really, but compared to the two of us.
Well, no, yeah, out of me, I never use SDS. You always use SDS.
Once a year.
Yeah, right. Once a year.
No, in all seriousness, it's really nice. It's compact. I like that. As you can see, Stan's pushing it. That's the absorber, shock absorber, so it takes away a lot of the shock from your hand, less fatigue on your arm. And that actually works really well. It kind of reminds me of the Milwaukee one that they have on there, but it works really well. Large paddle, which is nice. One thing it did take me a while to get used to is the forward and reverse is down on the bottom of the tool, but you can access it on either side. Once you get used to it, I like that. There's 4 options. You can do the drill hammer, and then the chisel. They also have what's called a neutral. Here, you're looking for a tie? It's on there.
Oh, thanks. So I wasn't. You were going?
Yeah. It's got the neutral, which is nice, so when you actually put in your chisel bit, put it to neutral, and you can adjust it to, you know, any angle that you want to, so you're not sitting around messing with it. Lock it, and then you can lock it in and chisel away. So it's nice whether you're working overhead, down below, or on the wall. It's got a good balance, a good feel to it, and what's nice, not a lot of vibration in the hand that's on the actual handle.
Yeah, no, Metabo is designed for the worker. I mean, you know, big bridge construction, skyscraper construction companies, guys that do constant concrete work. I mean, this is their pro tool right here, Metabo. I mean, along with some others, obviously.
Yeah.
But
it's up there, man. It's got some...
Yeah. Did you talk about the neutral? So I totally wasn't listening to you.
I did, yeah.
Okay.
That was like one of my key things I was just waiting to
Sorry, I
hit.
spaced out for a second.
You know?
There, for real. I was doing that cord. 6-foot cord.
This line is 6 foot.
No, that's a 6-foot cord.
There's no way.
That's a 6-foot cord, Eric.
There's no way, man.
What are you talking about?
Dude, there's no way. If I'm 6 foot, that's at the bottom, and I'm reaching up. There's no way.
Right.
That's got to be like a 10 foot.
10-foot cord.
9 foot. 10 foot cord.
10-foot cord. These people are watching. They're watching this and be like, you dumbasses, can't you just go on there and read the stats? No. That's what's cool about Tools in Action. You know, we just show you how...
We're idiots.
No. No, we're just showing you cool stuff. That's all. You know, the Metabo's great.
Right?
Yep.
I
But,
like
alright, 10-foot cord, 12-foot cord.
It's got a long cord.
Long cord, which comes in handy.
Yeah, it does. Actually, I do like that. Actually, not dragging around that ball where it's meeting the other extension cord.
Yeah, I don't like anything with short cords, really.
No, I don't. What's the point? I mean,
yeah. I mean, certain things if it's going to be tucked in somewhere, you know, but yeah. What's an extra 3 feet of cord exactly cost? But I mean, that's what it's all about, you know, I mean.
The cord size.
The cord size.
It is.
Well, no, but the longer the cord, if it's like a 15 amp tool, you can only have so much of a gauge in a long cord.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, that's a good point.
Yeah, because it could get expensive actually.
Yeah.
Cabling's not cheap, you know? And I mean, that's the whole thing when they build tools, you know, they want to balance everything. They want to balance, you know, cost. I mean, sure, someone can make a tool that's indestructible, made out of titanium, but it's $100,000 for a drill, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, the people don't want that. But Metabo, definitely some quality stuff out of Germany. They make some great tools. We've loved everything. You can find them, like we said, CPO Metabo, Amazon, your local welding stores usually carry Metabo. I don't think they'll carry the SDS, but they will carry
Yeah,
the
like sanders and stuff like that there.
Right.
Grinders, or you know.
Correct. And Metabo was the first out with the 4.0 batteries.
And I did hear they're coming out with the 5 or 5.3 or something.
Wow, Eric. You must have deep connections, man.
I do.
Wow.
You know where I got that from?
Where?
You.
Yeah, new 5.0 batteries. Metabo's always been first to play with the new battery technologies. Yeah. And the great thing I love about Metabo battery packs is the air cooled.
Yeah, that's
First
nice,
of all, they
man.
don't really get hot. I mean, I was drilling some major metal out in the trailer a few months back, and I mean, man, I went through like 4 packs of just drilling, and I mean, the drill was heating up, and the packs really didn't get that warm. But you put them on the charger, no matter how hot they did get, when that thing's done charging, they're ice cold, ready to work.
Cools them down.
Yeah, and if you put them on and they're too hot, it'll wait till it cools to a certain temperature. It'll fan cool it and then start charging. And I mean, that is actually a big deal. And I know a lot of
big.
Yeah, and I think Makita does fan cool chargers too. A lot of people do it, you know. But then brands that don't do it will come out with it, and people start bitching about the noise.
Yeah, no, exactly.
So you can't really win.
Yeah.
But you know, the cooling technology is cool. What else? Comes with a case.
Comes with the case, depth gauge, side handle, and that's about it.
Cool. Don't forget to check it out. We'll put a link to Metabo. We'll have the review up in a couple weeks on toolsinaction.com. And don't forget to show Eric some love on his forum. Power Tool forum.
Yeah.
They probably don't even know how to get there. We're
Probably
going to
not.
fix that. We're going to make it so you can click it on the front page. But what do you
You've been
click on?
telling me that for a long time that you'd fix it, but you don't. Dan's like the graphic designer. What do you call? What do you call you guys?
Right. Huh?
What do you call you guys? The designer,
The webmaster.
Webmaster.
Yeah.
Webmaster.
I'm the webmaster. It's like 1 a.m. and I'm texting you. You're
Yeah.
sleeping like 50 times. What's going on? Can't you fix it?
So
So.
that's
Yeah.
about it.
That's about
right?
it. Yep.
Anything
Check
else to
it out.
add?
No.
All good?
Just that I like Metabo. I think it's a great brand.
Oh, it is a good brand.
Cool.
Very good.
All right. Check it out. Cool, man.